Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance UK. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process, which typically takes a few minutes. This ensures compliance with regulations and keeps your account secure. Once verified, you can fund your account using several convenient methods, like bank transfers or debit card payments. Then, you're ready to explore the wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading on the platform. Funding your Binance UK account is straightforward. You can deposit British pounds using faster payments or SEPA transfers, often processed within minutes. Alternatively, use your debit card for instant purchases of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. When trading, you can choose between market orders for immediate execution at the current price, or limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price you set. This flexibility helps you manage your trades effectively. Security is paramount on Binance UK. Always enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or SMS for an extra layer of protection. Regarding fees, Binance UK offers a competitive tiered structure, with trading fees starting as low as 0.1%, decreasing with higher trading volumes. It's also wise to review withdrawal limits and any associated fees before transferring funds, ensuring you understand all costs involved. For more experienced traders, Binance UK offers advanced features such as stop limit orders and even futures trading, allowing for more complex strategies. The platform also provides extensive educational resources, including articles and tutorials, to help you deepen your understanding of the cryptocurrency markets. Should you ever need assistance, their customer support team is readily available through live chat or email, ensuring you always have help when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.